Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Monday and it's a new week. Let's get started.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
The month is April. What is the month? April.
So we're still April, guys. We are almost done. And then we are going to be May. Today is Monday, April the 20th, 2020. Repeat it after me. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. The weather today is going to be sunny. It's going to be very hot today. It is going to be 90 degrees or so. Our life skills, we are going to review the tying of the shoe. But I am going to introduce a new life skills, and that is brushing your teeth. I will be submitting a PowerPoint on Wednesday regarding brushing teeth. Remember, stay active. Social skills. How was your weekend? I was relaxing, watching TV, not relaxing in the pool because I don't have a pool, but eventually I'm going to put my pool up. I know some of you have a pool. Jeronimo has a pool. Are you going to go swimming, Jeronimo? How about you, Joanna? Do you have a swimming pool? Did you relax? Did you watch TV, Mario? What did you guys do? For today's agenda, we are going to be doing reading. If it's not reading, it's going to be math, but we will be doing one of those content areas. Alrighty, let's begin.